Hi! How to learn 1000 words in English fast, even if you are just starting out. Let me ask you, do you ever feel stuck when trying to speak English because you just don't know the right words? Let me tell you, it's like you are trying to build a house without enough bricks. Frustrating, right? Well, today, I'm giving you the exact tools that I personally think are the best for building your vocabulary. By the end of this video, you will not only know how to expand your vocabulary quickly, but also how to remember these new words forever, at least for a long time, and the most important is how to use them naturally in conversations. Let's face it. Let me tell you, and to be honest, learning English vocabulary is tough. There are thousands of words out there, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. I know that. But the problem is not just learning new words. It's keeping them in your memory and actually using them. That's the most important. Sound familiar, right? Don't worry, I know you are not alone. But here is the good news. You don't need to learn every word in the dictionary to communicate effectively. You just need to focus on the right words and follow these 4 powerful steps. Did you know 1000 words make up 85% of everyday conversations in English? So focus on these first. Apps like Anki or websites like Oxford 3000 have lists of the most commonly used words. So stay there. Start with core words. Learning a word is one thing, but using it is what makes it stick. For example, if you learn the word delicious, so don't just write it down. Say it when you eat something. Tasty, for example. Say, this pizza is delicious. So practice makes it permanent. Use the words immediately. Expose yourself to English as much as possible. Watch beginner-friendly shows, listen to podcasts, or read simple books. Don't understand every word? That's okay. Focus on recognizing words you are learning. Read and listen daily. Write down 5 new words each day, their meanings and example sentences. At the end of the week, yourself on what you have learned. This habit can multiply your vocabulary in no time. Create a personal vocabulary journal. So, which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are serious about improving your English, don't forget to like, share, write positive comments. I'm sharing my secret hacks for mastering English grammar in no time. You won't miss it. So thanks for spending your time with me today. Remember, every word you learn is a step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.